Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to create base.html where we will write a code which is gonna be same in every pages. Okay, so first let us render the HTML page over here. This is very normal text, right? So I'll just do this. Keep this aside, go to main app and views.py. Now here we have already created view, home view. Okay, so what we will do is I'll just remove this http response. Now I'll say render. This will take request parameter and the path of our home.html. So I'm going to do main slash home.html. Okay, now I'll go to templates folder and I'll create one more folder which is going to be main, and inside that I'll create home HTML, and inside the templates folder I'll create base.html. Now in this base.html we are going to write the code which is going to be same for all pages. So I'll just drag that browser over here and I'll say getbootstrap.com. Okay, now let's go to documents and maybe grab this code and come over here, paste that one. I'll just indent this properly. Now here let's write code for navbar. So here I'll say nav primary. Okay, cool. Or here I can say light maybe. It's not working. So yeah, just pause the video over here and write this code, or maybe I'll be providing the GitHub link in the description, so you can go there and copy the code if you are facing the error. Okay, so yeah, once this is done, let's go to home page. Yeah, we have wrote home over here and we should see home over here, right? So yeah, this is it for today's video guys, and in next video we will design the home page. Okay, not home page, add a task page. All right, so yeah, I will see you there. Thank you.